store the last destinations that you used. If you wish to use the route guidance function to one of these destinations, you can open the destination from the memory of the navigation system. This is how you use this function. Press the button Nav. Briefly press the button New Dest. Use the touch screen to select the button Last Destinations. Make your selection by pressing the corresponding function button. The route guidance function will be activated. You can now follow the system's recommendations to travel to your chosen destination. The navigation system offers many other functions. You can, for example, be guided to various points of interest. You also have the possibility to define various different route options. In the Map main menu, you will be able to see your current position on a map. To do this, press the Map button. This is how you can change the map display options. Press this button briefly. You have the option to choose between a 2D, a 3D, and a topographic display. In the next chapter, I will show you how you can change the scale of the map. The map scale in the Map main menu can be set between 25 yards and 500 miles. This is how you use this function. Press the button Map. The scale of the map can be changed by briefly pressing this button. Press and hold the block in the scroll bar and move it in the required direction. You have the option of selecting an automatic mode. In this way, a scale will be selected dynamically for the map to suit individual driving situations. You can also activate a split screen and make selections from its content. The steps required to do this will be explained in the next chapter. You can activate a split screen in the Map main menu. I will now show you how to use this function. To see the split screen, press the Map button in the Map main menu. This is how you select the different content features of the split screen. With the route guidance function active, you can also select a maneuver list, navigation symbols, or a route overview. To close the split screen, press the Map button. I will now show you how to control a DVD using the inserted DVD as an example. Briefly press one of the 4 arrow keys until the required DVD menu option is marked. Press the button Enter to select the marked menu option and open the corresponding submenu. Briefly press one of the two arrow buttons until the required submenu option is marked. Press the button Enter to play the DVD. During the play mode, you can press these buttons to skip one chapter forwards or backwards. Press the touch screen briefly to open the DVD menu and the menu options. Then press the button Menu. Using the Media main menu, you can start and control the play mode for the various different audio and video sources. I will now show you how to play an audio CD. Push an audio CD, with the printed side facing up, into the CD slot until the unit pulls it in. The play mode will start automatically. You can select tracks using these buttons. You can use this button to stop and start the track. For fast forward or reverse, press and hold one of the arrow buttons. With the Extras menu, you have the option to start the random play function or the track scan function. By pressing this button briefly, you can play individual tracks on a CD or also folders on an MP3 CD. Press this button to eject the CD. I will now show you how to open individual MP3 folders and play tracks. Please do not operate the system whilst the vehicle is in motion, as you could otherwise be distracted from the traffic situation around you. Press the button Media. Press the button Selection to see an overview of the media sources that can be selected. Press this button briefly. Select a media source by briefly pressing the corresponding button. To select a folder, press the corresponding button briefly. Select a track. Use this button to return to the next highest level of the overview. Press this button briefly in order to return to the Media main menu. Press the button Traffic in order to access current traffic messages. You can receive more detailed information on the traffic message in the display